I kept glass as an important material in this project. One of the aspects, which is materiality, where you have the problem of dust, cleaning, this is technology. Take two pieces of glass and you fuse a mesh between it. There's no dust, it does not get dirty. It has the property of transparency. It has the property of some level of opacity.
In the living room, there is one niche. We wanted that niche to have some depth. So then we have added a mirror. And then there is one an empty wall in the living itself. We wanted to make that look like a cutout, a circular cutout puncture between the drawing and living, and then it also feels like connecting the both spaces. And then there is a partition with fluted glass. We wanted to divide the both spaces with glass, but yet it has to have some separation, and then there is some kind of connection again, right? So that is how the mirror partition have been.
The checkered lacquered glass used in the living room have been very strategically placed in order to break larger surface areas, whether it's paint or veneer. The V-grooves have been very regularly spaced out onto the horizontal belt in order to create a beautiful artistic design which shapes like a Cadbury tablet.
Fortunately, we have been able to use mirrors of two different varieties. One is an extra clear mirror, another is an antique mirror. Extra clear mirror is used in the living room in the circle shape, and we have also used extra clear mirror in the master walk-in wardrobe space, primarily to make the space look much bigger. Antique finish mirrors are used in all the vertical partitions behind the TV, suspended TV partition, on the columns in the entire living room, and many other places wherever applicable. We wanted to make the space look much bigger than what they are.
One of the master bedroom, we decided to create it in a very luxurious way. In this opulent master bedroom, we have incorporated digital printed glass featuring a beautiful tulip design. This elegant element not only adds a touch of sophistication but also symbolizes love and fame.
We wanted the TV unit to feel like a large floating panel inside the living room. We used lacquered glass to extend the boundaries of the TV and make it look like a larger panel.
We have used wall mural over the headboards. We have used UV printed glass so that they seamlessly merge with the headboards.
If you see temple area, we have taken a small area in which we have designed the temple. So the idea which we adopted to have some French doors, some checked partitions with the wooden door. So the main idea was using that door was just to make the temple visible from the house. Also at the same time, if someone is using that, they can just close the shutter and have a peaceful aura inside the temple.
There are two glass bridges here in this project, which are again made out of 3-layered laminated glass, which is connecting the two houses. The railing is completely of glass, which makes it more lighter. And the lift shaft is throughout from the ground floor to the terrace is completely made of glass, and that's what makes it more light to connect all the floors.